Get ready, verse 1, B flat, and we go.
Amazing grace,
E flat,
how sweet
back to B
the
flat,
sound
B flat again,
that saved a wretch like me.
B flat,
I once was lost,
E flat,
but now
back to B flat,
I'm found.
B flat again,
Was blind,
down to F,
now
B flat.
I see.
again verse 2, B flat,
There's grace that taught
E
my
flat,
heart
back to B flat, B flat again,
and grace my fears
go to F,
relieved.
B flat,
How precious thee
E flat,
that grace
B flat,
appear.
B flat, down to F, back to B flat. Let's go chorus, get ready, E flat, and we go. To B flat, E flat, and F, E flat, B flat, C minor, go to F, and on B flat. Let's go, verse 3, B flat, E flat, B flat, B flat again, go to F, B flat, E flat, B flat, B flat, F, B flat. Let's go verse 4, B flat, and go. E flat, B flat, B flat again, go to F, B flat, E flat, B flat, B flat again, go to F, back to B flat. Repeat last line, get ready, B flat, go to F, B flat. One last time, repeat B flat, go to F, B flat. Go back chorus, get ready, E flat and go. B flat, E flat, go to F, E flat, B flat, C minor, go to F, B flat. Repeat chorus, go to E flat now, go. B flat, E flat again, and F, back to E flat, B flat, last line C minor, and we go. Go to F, back to B flat, again, last line C minor, go to F, back to B flat. One last time, hold on C minor, hold, and F hold, back to B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat and hold. Well done. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.